Hello students, today we are going to start class 5th chapter 8, a genie whom no one liked. About the lesson. Once a particular genie lived in a magic lamp. We are talking about genie. Okay, so genie lived in a magic lamp, but nobody liked him because when anybody wanted something the genie would bring it covered in so much dust. When someone asking something to genie to bring, what he bring? He bring a covered in so much dust. Once a boy named Pankaj entered the magic lamp. We realized that the genie was not a bad one, but he was untidy. Pankaj helped the genie to give the magic lamp a good clean. Now the genie began to be respected and liked once again. So, one boy, the name is Pankaj. He entered the magic lamp, okay, but he looked at the genie is not a bad person, but he was a untidy, okay. Then he helped the genie to give the magic lamp good clean. Then everyone respected him and liked once again. So there is a paragraph. Once upon a time there was a genie, but this particular genie was famous for spoiling things. They are talking about genie, but this genie is famous for what? For spoiling things. Whenever someone rubbed the magic lamp, he would come out and say, "What is your wish?" Then a great cloud of smoke would appear. When genie is coming out and asking, "What is your wish?" what is appearing? The great cloud of smoke would appear. Hundreds of things would fly around the air. When somebody wanted something, he would bring it covered in so much dust that nobody wanted to even touch. So, see where his mistakes that no one liked the magic lamp. So the genie did not come out for year because no one liking him, and that's why genie did not come out for year. I have done this exercise. You have to do this exercise in your textbook only. Now second, you have to listen it carefully because the exercise you have to do at your home. This is your homework. So listen it carefully. One day, a lonely boy named Pankaj found the lamp. So one day, a lonely boy, जिसका नाम क्या है? पंकज, found the lamp. और उसको क्या मिला? Lamp. He heard the sad cries of the genie, and what he heard, that genie was crying. So he decided to try to become his friend. Then the Pankaj was decided that he become his friend. The wish he asked to be granted was to be able to enter and leave the lamp. The genie was happy to grant this wish. As soon as Pankaj entered the lamp, he could see what the genie's problem was. So the Pankaj want to see that what is the genie's problem. So he entered the lamp. As soon as the Pankaj entered the lamp, he could see what the genie's problem was. It was not that he was a bad genie. It was just that he was untidy. What he looked? That the genie was not a bad person, but he was untidy. In the lamp, everything was thrown all over the place. So in lamp, the everything is throwing all over, whether it be jewelry, books, boats, or camels. It was clear that the place had not been cleaned for years. So he looked that place is not clean for years. Pick up anything and a cloud of dust would fly up. That's why the cloud of dust fly up. I have read it that paragraph, and you have to fill this. Okay, it's your homework, and you have to do this work in your book only. Listen it this para in careful because that also is your homework. Pankaj was surprised. The genie felt ashamed and apologized. Okay, he said that the genie's job was very important and he had no time for cleaning. But Pankaj remembered his mother's advice. So that genie को अच्छा नहीं लगा, but what he say that उसकी job बहुत important है और उसको clean करने का time नहीं मिलता है. But Pankaj remember his mother's advice. He told the genie that it was important to keep all his things in order. कि उसकी मदर ने क्या एडवाइस दिया था, दैट यू हैव टू कीप योर ऑल थिंग्स इन ऑर्डर. एंड सो दे डिसाइडेड टू गिव द प्लेस अ गुड clean. Then they decided that they will clean the lamp. It took them quite a few days. When they finished, everything was gleaming and in its correct place. Now it was very easy to find whatever gifts asked for and to get it without break anything. And so the genie began to be respected and liked once more. He learned that nothing great can be achieved without order and cleanliness in all things. Then they have cleaned the lamp and the genie began to be respected and liked once more. फिर उसके बाद में सब उसको रेस्पेक्ट भी कर रहे थे एंड दे ऑल आर लाइकिंग हिम ऑल्सो. सो आपको इससे हमें क्या सीखने को मिला है, दैट वी हैव इफ वी अचीव समथिंग, सो वी हैव टू प्लेस all the thing in order and put the things in cleanliness. Okay, so you have to fill your this exercise. It's your homework. Now exercise, rearrange the sentence. Question number B, answer the following. This question answers you have to do in your notebook. Okay, and this homework you have to do in your textbook only, and this work in your copy. Thank you.